This is how you're expecting your PC to run, right? Everything going so smoothly for you, everything going so fast, but then this is the reality. You click on anything, you have to wait for a very long time before it loads. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your PC run faster. Okay, so I'm going to teach you something. You see, my PC has already a RAM storage of 6 gig, and then it's 64 operating system and all that. You can check the specs of my PC, and you wouldn't expect this PC to run very slow at all. But then let me show you what causes my PC to run slow. Okay, so what happens is I open a lot of softwares at the same time. So I'm going to run through opening so many software at once for you to see. I'm opening Excel, I'm opening VLC, I'm opening Photoshop, I'm opening Telegram. So many softwares at once on my PC. Okay, but what I actually want to do is just Microsoft Word to just type a simple document. Okay, so now I open my Microsoft Word and you see how slow the thing is opening. And I'm struggling to even, you see how many softwares open, a lot of softwares. Okay, but then it's just Microsoft Word I want to use, like I said before. Okay, so Microsoft Word eventually opens, and then I'm unable to type anything. I've tapped on the key, but it's not showing. You see now it's showing, which is very bad. And I try closing it, and then yes, still everything is happening so slowly. Okay, this is very, very bad. The PC is lagging so much, and most of you might have encountered something like this, or even worse. You close programs and then they haven't closed yet, they are still hanging around, and it is a bother. You wouldn't want it to happen like that. Okay, so for the first solution I'm predicting is that for the first solution I'm going to use is that you're supposed to close all those redundant softwares on your PC. Okay, so close the Chrome, close the music app, close the file manager, close all those apps, because it is actually one of them that you need to use, and the one you need to use, that is what you're going to open only. So refresh your page. Okay, close all those redundant apps, and then refresh your page. Okay, so after refreshing your page, you just now open your Microsoft Word app, and then just type anything. See that it comes fast, and then let me try closing it, and then everything happens so fast. Okay, the second solution I'm going to recommend for you is for you to open your task manager. So tap on your Windows key and then your search button, or when you tap on Windows, just type in task manager. Okay, so open your task manager. When you open this task manager, this pop-up is supposed to appear. Okay, when this pop-up appears, you see my memory, 72% of my memory is being used. Okay, but I'm barely using Microsoft Word, but you see so many softwares are being used which are occupying my memory. So let me scroll down here so that you see all the softwares that are occupying my memory. You could see that there is settings there which occupies barely 0 megabytes of the memory, but then there's this thing running here which is occupying so much of my memory. So I just right click and then I click on end task. Okay, and it stops that software from running. I try to close as many as I can. Okay, so I try closing this one. Okay, this one I'm not being allowed to close it. I have mobile screen recorder. I'm using it to record my screen, so I won't close it for now. You see this Telegram software over here, I've closed the Telegram app, but still it is running in the background. So I right click and then I just end the task. So after ending all these unnecessary tasks, at the end of the day, my memory is left with 58%. Okay, 58% of memory is being used as compared to the previous 70%, which is a vast difference. So I tried what I was doing at first. Okay, now that I've freed my memory, I'm going to open my Microsoft Word again. So I open it and everything is running so fast. I click on a new document, I try typing and straight away everything is showing up. Okay, I try closing it and then that one to close it so nicely. Okay, so now and then another solution I'm going to teach you, the third solution, is about temporary files on your PC. Okay, so everything you do on your PC stores temporary files. So press Windows plus R key, and then you just type in this thing you see over here, slash percentage temp percentage. Okay, and you just press the OK. This pop-up appears. All these are temporary files and folders your PC stores, and these temporary files and folders are not really needed by you. Okay, sometimes these temporary files cause your PC to be very slow. Okay, So I have a shortcut to open the temporary files. I'm going to teach you. Okay, so click on the new, click on shortcuts, and then this pop-up appears. Okay, so in the shortcut appears, just type in percentage to temp percentage. We don't need to use the Windows plus R method again. Okay, so now let me name the shortcuts to temp. Okay, so anytime I open this temp, my temporary files all appear on my PC. So I need to delete all of them. I don't need them at all. I press Ctrl plus A key. All of them are being selected, and then I press the Shift plus the delete key in order to delete them permanently from my PC. Okay, then I press OK or enter, and then automatically you see that the temporary files on my PC are all being deleted. I actually do not need. If you feel like these things might harm you and you've named any folder on your PC called temp, make sure you don't delete it as part of all these files. But then if there's none of your folders or files named as temp, you are good to go. Okay, just delete all these temp permanent files. Okay, some of them might be difficult to delete. You just continue to skip them. Okay, continue to skip them. It won't cause any problem. Okay, just continue to skip them, and then as many as you can delete, you are good to go. Okay, so I've skipped a lot of them, and then some of them are still refusing to go. So let me just close this one. Okay, so far most of these temporary files have been deleted from my PC, and then there are very few left here, and they are still refusing to delete. So you know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to cancel it. Okay, I'm not going to pause. No, I'll just cancel it, and then it's okay. So these few ones left, let them just be here. Okay, and now my memory space has been freed. I refresh, I try opening my Microsoft Word again, and then let's see something. Okay, I freed my space of temporary file. I open a blank document, and then tada, I just type in, and then it comes. I type in and it comes straight away. Let me try closing it, and everything moves so fast. Okay, so this is how you remove temporary files from your PC. Okay, let me position it very well. Another step, another way solution to this problem, okay, is still on the temporary file, but this time around they're going to do it inside of our settings. Okay, so open your settings. You can use Windows plus I to open your settings, and then in your search button just type in temp. Okay, you see delete temporary files, just click on that, delete temporary files, and then this page is supposed to load. So this page shows you the storage of your local disks, or the storage on your whatever disk that it is stored. So over there you see there is temporary files, which is 21.2 gigabytes. Okay, so your PC is going to load all the temporary files that are stored in your system. Some of these temporary files cause problems a lot. They lag your PC. Okay, so you are going to learn how to handle these temporary files. So you wait for all your temporary files to load. Okay, so it keeps scanning, and it scans all the temporary files on your PC and brings them up. Okay, so you see that some of them are already being checked over here. So you just wait for everything to load. Let's wait a while for everything to load, and after it's done loading, you see that it has automatically checked some files. Okay, so it says here that some temporary files are needed by the apps. Okay, so these are a list of files you can remove for now. Okay, so there below are the files you can remove. Now all these are checked. Okay, so we are going to remove these files, which total about 2 gigabytes, occupies so much space on our memory, and this occupies the space they occupy that is causing our PC to lag or to slow down. Okay, so we're going to deal with deleting all these temporary files. So we're going to remove all of them. Okay, so in removing all these temporary files, you see there is the button over there called remove files. You see there it is written there, remove files. So you're going to drag your mouse pointer to that button, remove files. The Windows will try to remove all these temporary files that are on your PC to lag your PC. Okay, you can see over here that my recycle bin stores up to 14 gig of files. Imagine all these files are not needed by me anymore. They will cause my PC to lag more. Okay, but you let them be there for now because I need some of these files in the recycle bin. So I do that, and then my local disk, you see I have 694 gig free. I have a lot of space on my PC now. Let me open my Microsoft Word again. So I tap on my Microsoft Word, I create a blank document and then I try to type in something. So I tap on my keys and free. I have free space. Everything is happening so fast. Okay, so these are the ways you can just free up your PC, make your things run so fast with no stress. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, and make sure you share the videos with your friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.